Alright, so welcome to DIY Willy. Today, we're in the Frontier again, and, well, the Pedal Commander has come in, and, we're going to install it. So, I'm just in it right now, taking it for a little drive. I want to feel the gas pedal, and just see how responsive it changes, and just see how it changes when, the Pedal Commander is installed. So that right there is giving a little gas a go. It's got a little hesitation, you know. I think it's built into it from the factory, but we'll see once we do the Pedal Commander how it changes it. I'm sure the gas mileage will go down because your foot's going to be buried in it more often, but hey, well, give and take, right? It's a love and hate relationship. You have the performance, you deal with the gas mileage. So, yeah, let's get it back to the house, and we'll do that install. All right. All right, so this is it. This is the Pedal Commander, and comes well packaged. You know, it's very durable packaging. I like it. So you just slide the top open like that. Got a little instruction booklet. Kind of go through, you know, about the install and some of the various settings that are in there. Again, really a simple thing. Take it out of the box. You know, it's just got the plugs, the female and male side, to plug into the truck. It's got a little mounting plate here that we put some Velcro on the back and stick it on. It comes with a handy dandy wipe. Alcohol wipe to clean the area, make sure there's no Armor All or cleaner on there. Make sure you get a good contact with that Velcro strip, and a zip tie. So yeah, I say we get right on it and do that install. I'll get down there and I'll show you how to disconnect the pedal and remove the panel on the bottom side to reroute the cable, and it should go very easy. All right, let's get on that. All right, now, so we're gonna get up underneath there. Wow, I need a light. Hold on. All right, looking up underneath here at the pedal, you see the little brown clip. We need to take that. You just pull that clip out, and the plug releases. And it's the opposite on the other plug for the Pedal Commander. But to put it in, we're gonna take this bottom panel off so that we can stick it up here where we want it. And it's just a couple of Phillips screwdriver screws, and we'll take a look at that right now. One over here, and the other screw is behind this plastic piece here. So you can kind of pull the trim away and just give this a little tug like that, and it'll expose that other screw right there. Boy, this one-handed stuff is difficult. You think I'd be used to it by now. So you just grab the panel, a couple spots, give it a little tug like that, and it pops right off. Being careful with your wires you have, no worries. So what you got to do, really hard to get up in here with everything in the way. What you got to do is get up here and just pull this out. See how I pulled out that little brown piece right here, and this releases the plug from the top of the pedal assembly, just like that. Now we're going to take the Pedal Commander and we're going to route the wires kind of down through the dash, out of the way, like so. Again, it's really hard to do this with one hand. Okay, there we got it. We pull that through, and this will come up here on top. So this is the little mounting bracket, and the Pedal Commander just kind of slips into it. Pedal Commander just kind of slips in like that, or snaps in, I'm sorry. Snaps in like that. Now I've already put the Velcro on just to make it easier. I cleaned the panel and I put the Velcro. Now we'll put it up. Just like that. Before I put the screws in, you'll see that this... Hey, what's up, man? Put this around. I've got the Velcro here. That's a good spot for it. And we're just going to stick it on. Just like that. The wires kind of tuck away nice. The wire tucks away nice like there. And it's good. So up under here, need the flashlight again. We got the plugs. And we pull it out. Just like that. And here's the one that goes. We'll take the first one. That is the male side. And we'll stick it up here. And this plug goes into the wire harness side. Like that. And then you just push that in. And it locks it in place. Just like that. When you push it in, it just pulls the harness in and locks it up. So for the other side, we've already got it pulled out. We stick it on the top. Like that. You see that? We stick it on. Push it in. Lock it in. There. Done. Now I can get a zip tie and just zip tie the wires up out of the way. And the install is complete. Okay. So here's the Pedal Commander all installed. This is where it's going to be. You can turn it on and off easily from sitting in the seat. It's got settings for Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. And then each one of those settings has +1 through +4. So, yeah. Let's get it out on the road and give it a shot. Okay, so here we go. The first drive with the Pedal Commander. First off, I'm just going to try it with the Eco setting. And then we'll move it up through the settings as we go along. Excuse me, I'm dirty. I've been working on a lot of projects today. But anyway, here we go. We're also giving a try of the whip mounts. I want to see how much they move in the wind. And, oh, seatbelt, safety first. Okay. So here we go. Let's see, let's put the, make sure Pedal Commander's City with no, okay, here we go. Pedal Commander. Here we go. That's normal. Feels good. Here we go. Feels good. What this thing is supposed to do is it's supposed to increase the sensitivity of the pedal, getting rid of the factory delay, I should say, where it's a little bit hesitant in the throttle. When you push the gas, you know, there's a, I don't know what the setting would be, but it's supposed to just a little bit of hesitation between the pedal and the throttle body. So with the Pedal Commander, it's supposed to increase the sensitivity, getting rid of that hesitation. And I can see right now, just even with it in the city, that there's no hesitation whatsoever. It feels really good. So let me mash the gas here a little bit, see what we get out of it. Oh, yeah, that feels good. Instant. It really is instant how it does that. You know, feels really good. The whips look good. They're not bouncing around too much. Yeah. I need some defroster though. Our windows are getting defrosted. There we go. Now I can see. Oh, I should have set it for a different setting. Yeah, feels good. Let's increase the setting. I want to go all the way to Sport Plus. What do you think, huh? Sport Plus, number 4. Sport Plus, and let's just go bang. There's 4. Let's, oh shoot, that's a huge difference. That's instant. That's better than instant. Wow. We better see how that's gonna be. Go ahead, go ahead. Okay, fine, I'll go. Here we go. Holy smokes. I would say that's definitely working. That is a big improvement in the throttle response off the line. You know? Look at that. Whoa, a little bit of wheel spin. Spinning and burning up those new BFGs. Here we go. Woo! Holy man. Better not break 88 miles an hour. This thing might time travel. I can hear those whips in the back. They're doing good. Oh, stop sign. We should stop. That would be a good idea. Man, those brakes we put on here work really good too. Whoa, do you hear that thump? Where it's sucking air when you give it gas? That's amazing. I mean, it didn't do that when it was on the city setting. This thing is really ready to go, man. That Pedal Commander is good. I had my doubts that it actually did anything, but it is well noticeable. It is well noticeable that it does something. I mean, it'll spin the tires in a second. You really got to learn the sensitivity of that throttle now. You can't just hit the gas. Ooh, look at that. See that? You got to be really careful. Let's see if I can get it to go without spinning those tires. Wow. That's really good. I'm impressed with the Pedal Commander. Really wakes up this 4.0 V6. I mean, you can hear it suck instantly. You hear the throttle body sucking air, man. And spinning those tires. Wow, that's amazing. Really amazing. I'm impressed with the Pedal Commander. I love it. I like it. It really helps. So another install complete. That was the install of the Pedal Commander in the Nissan Frontier 4.0 V6, and yeah, it definitely does make a difference. So yeah, I'm still a little shaken. It does make a difference. It really makes a difference in the way the pedal responds. I know maybe the video doesn't quite show that, but believe me, if you got it, you would not be disappointed. It really changes that pedal sensitivity and allows that throttle body. I noticed the pickup, but what I hear first is the suction from the intake. You know, with that air raid throttle body spacer we have in there and that volant intake, you always hear the suction of the air as it goes into the engine. With that Pedal Commander, that comes a lot sooner. You hear that throttle body opening up faster than it was. You hear that air rushing into the engine. And wow, that's amazing. It really makes a difference. I was kind of skeptical, I gotta say, but yeah, it's well worth the purchase. If you feel like if you really need that performance, I'm still a little bit sketchy on the driving. If you really need the performance, that Pedal Commander is well worth the money. It is kind of expensive, but hey, if you got it, get it. You won't be disappointed. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, I don't care. Leave a comment if you give it a thumbs down, leave it a comment if you need to leave a comment. If you got something to say, you want some questions, if you have some questions about the Pedal Commander, you know, leave a comment. I'll do the best to answer it. There's a handy dandy little tiny book. It's hard to read, tells you a little bit about it. And install is as simple as you saw. We just unclip it and clip it back in, you know, a little bit of the Velcro, and it sticks right on the dash wherever you want it. Easily adjustable, easy to read, to see the settings you're in. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So yeah, another successful DIY Willy project, and on to the next. Thank you.